Hello viewers, welcome back to Peppy Kitchen. So Peppy Kitchen wishes all our viewers a
very happy Diwali.
So today it's Diwali special and I'm going to be making my son's favorite soft ghee Mysore pak. So let's check out the recipe. So for the recipe, I'm going to be using about 1 cup of gram flour or the besan flour. So I've not turned on the stove into the pan. I'm going to be sifting this gram flour and let's roast this gram flour once we sieve them without any lumps for about 1 minute or till you get the nice lovely aroma of the gram flour. Just see that you don't burn the gram flour too much. It just needs to be a little aromatic. So once that is being on, I've taken a mold and greased it with a little bit of ghee and kept it aside so that once it's done, we need to transfer the contents immediately to the mold. The gram flour is nice roast. So let's cool it down for a moment by transferring to a bowl. So once this is done, I've taken about 1 cup of ghee, melted ghee, and we'll be using half of this portion into the roasted gram flour, and let's mix it up without any lumps. Make sure you take the same measuring cup for all your besan, for your ghee as well as the sugar. So nicely mix them without any lumps. So this is nice running consistency. This is how the mixture is done. So side by side, heat a pan and add about 1 cup of sugar. So let's start making the sugar syrup. Here I'm adding about half a cup of water. You can use about 3/4 and let's allow the sugar to nicely melt, and this is the one string consistency that you need for the soft ghee Mysore pak. So this is the right consistency of our sugar syrup. So once this is done, let's add the mixture, that is the besan gram flour and the ghee mixture. Nicely keep mixing them. Keep it in a very low flame and mix them well. So once it starts to thicken, the remaining portion of the ghee that we've already kept aside, let's start adding the ghee little by little into this thickened mixture. So I'm going to be adding into 2 batches. I've added about a little of the ghee right now and keep stirring it. Nice. Once the ghee is absorbed, the remaining portion also I've added into the mixture and keep stirring it nicely. You will start feeling the mixture is getting thickened and all the ghee is nicely absorbed into the besan or the gram flour mixture. Make a correct note that you do not take off your spatula away from the pan. Now this is the right consistency. You can see how nicely it starts leaving the pan, and let's transfer it immediately into the mold that we have already greased with the ghee. Spread it, just tap it a little so that any air bubbles can be released out. So my besan flour is ready. My Mysore pak is almost set. I'm tapping it up. Now let's leave it aside and cool it for about half an hour time. So immediately do not poke into the knife. Just make a mild crease so that when you start cutting out the bricks of Mysore pak, it becomes nice and even. You get nice even blocks. So just I've made 2, whatever shape you want, you can do it. I'm making 2 rectangle sized bars, so I'm going to be cutting all of them together. Yes, and then let's allow it to cool for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So mine is almost set. I'm going to be cutting it into nice thin bars. So there it is, the lovely and soft ghee Mysore pak. My Jitu's favorite is ready. Jitu, how is it?
Ma, it looks good and it tastes yum.
Yes, so you also give it a try and do enjoy this Diwali with such simple and lovely recipes which you make for your loved ones. So once again, wishing you all from Peppy Kitchen Happy
Happy Diwali.
Stay safe and have a nice time.